Hello, guys. This is second attention of the song Anabella by Khaid. The key of the song is B major. Remember to subscribe to this channel and then turn on the notification button for more updates. Also, like, share, comment the song you need next. Thank you. The song goes to us. Mi re ti. Do so mi re do. So do ti la ti. Re do. Hope you got this part. So the next part goes to us. So mi ti. So mi fa mi do. So mi ti. So mi do. Hope you got this part. So the next part is a bit more challenging because it's kind of a rap. So listen carefully. I will sing it. I'll take it slow. Mi fa re mi. Hope you got this part. Okay, I will repeat it. Mi fa re mi. Hope you got that place very very well. Remember to subscribe to this channel. We are not done yet. We're not done yet. But remember to like, comment, any place you find confusing, comment. So the next part is also not that challenging. I just wait for it. So it goes thus. Mi do re do ti mi fa mi do. Repeat it again. Fa mi do re do ti mi fa mi do. Then for next part, you return back to mi re ti ti. I'll sing it now. So for next part, you return back. So it goes thus again. Mi re ti ti. Do so mi re do. So mi re do ti la ti. Re mi re do. Then we also sing this same we call it the chorus. And listen. So mi fa mi do. So mi fa mi ti. So mi fa mi do fa mi do. Then you repeat it again. So mi fa mi do. So mi fa mi ti. So mi fa mi do fa mi do. Hope you got this part very well. So hope you got all that. So there is this interlude they play at the end. We'll try and sing the interlude. The interlude goes to us. Goes like this. Do mi. Sa do mi. So ti re fa. Fa mi re do re mi. Re do ti la so. Missing this is the interlude though. You can play your own, but it goes like this. Do mi mi so do mi mi so titi re fa mi re mi re do ti la so and brother. So I hope you enjoy the sulfur notation. So as you can see, this sulfur notation is not too hard. It's not that hard. If you put your mind to it, you can do it. So very soon I will start doing tutorials on how to find the soft notation of songs. That's if you're interested in the tutorials, I will start the tutorials as soon as possible for those who would love to get the tutorial. So thank you and thank you once more.